Among many apps I have built across sectors like agriculture, healthcare, ebooks, and IoT, I wanted to show something different. A Flutter plugin that I created and actively maintain. It's widely used with over 22,000 downloads and 140 plus likes. Here is the plugin page and basic example app running. This is installed apps plugin, so which can provide list of installed apps on device, filtered apps based on platform, and it also has other methods like getting application info, starting app, navigating to app settings screen, and more. So I built this plugin because there wasn't a reliable plugin for this task. So this building this plugin gave me hands-on experience with Flutter platform ecosystem, and also it let me utilize my existing knowledge on native Kotlin. When developers report issues with the plugin that I cannot reproduce locally, what I have done is I have created a GitHub Actions pipeline that runs 25 builds in parallel across combination of latest 5x5 stable Flutter and Kotlin releases on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And this helps catch environmental specific issues and reflects my focus on automation, reliability, and high quality code. So here is the GitHub repository. The API is clean and easy to use. And thanks for watching.